Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can respec your talent points in Icarus. Now first things first, go back over to your menu over on the character selection right here and make sure to choose your character over here on the left. If you have multiple of them, just choose one that you want to respec the points of. The next thing you have to do is just press select character at the bottom, give it some time to reload. Now over here on the top left, you can find the talent button right here. Click onto the talent tree and you should be able to open up the talent tree inside this interface. Now, for the very first time that you're playing this game, I believe you will have 40 respec points for free. Now, if you want to add more respec points, you have to use Ren. As you can see right here, I have 210. I do apologize, it's a little bit of a small screen. But if you want to add more respec points that you have, you can spend 150 Ren for it. But since I already have some 40 pieces of respec points right now, I can use them to my advantage. Now there are certain rules when it comes to respecing your talents, is that you can't respec a talent that is a prerequisite for other talents. For example right here, I can't respec the Seasoned Logsman because it's a prerequisite for Peerless Lumberjack. Now let me just try that to show you. As you can see, unable to respec, talent is a prerequisite of other learned talents. Now there's also another rule when it comes to respecting talents. Over here on my cooking and farming, I haven't really invested much of my talent points. So if I try to right click the filling meals right here, then it will say that it's unable to retrain, and another talent requires there to be at least 8 points spent in this whole tree. So let me just find a talent here that I can respec. For example, the Cold Hearted, where I get double the resource yield from baby animals. So let me just try to respec that by pressing right click, and it will say spend 1 respec point to respec the talent. Let me just press down yes, and as you can see, I've respected that talent, and I now only have 39 pieces of respec points. And that's pretty much about it on how to respec your talents in Icarus.